So students in this class will be designing a t-shirt of their own. You can design it in any way you want, and you can make it in any way you want as well. If you want to go to a silk screener and get it actually professionally made, you could definitely do that. But you can also just take a marker and mark up a blank t-shirt too, if that's the way you want to create your shirt. So it could be done in any different way. You could tie-dye it, you could do it in any different way you want. Essentially, when a great t-shirt is really two things done well. One is concept and the other one is execution. It's pretty much everything in life, actually. But in a t-shirt, have a great concept. So have a great story. And this is before you even start doing anything with the t-shirt. This all happens in your mind and in a sketchbook. You just have an idea that you want to get across. You have, whether it's just promoting your brand or something more highbrow, conceptual, political, it could be any message that you want to set across, have that message baked in your head. Then the execution part is thinking about how to best transcribe that message into a wearable garment. Sometimes a message can be conveyed best when the execution is actually dirty or raw or rough. The way the execution is handled is oftentimes influenced by what the message behind your concept is. And so execution is really key. And the other thing that you have to think about is wearability. So that kind of goes into execution as well. It doesn't matter how cool your concept is and how great your execution is if you've made a t-shirt that nobody wants to wear, because you've then inherently robbed the power of the t-shirt. You've made a t-shirt that is awesome and cool, but sits in someone's drawer because it's unwearable. The great thing about a t-shirt is having it out there on the streets where multiple people see it. You know, hopefully thousands of people are wearing it and your message is spreading like wildfire. So have the concept, have the execution, but then think about, will people wear this damn thing, you know? And that's really, to me, what a great t-shirt is encompassed, those three things.